Here I have another example fib loop. In this function we will going to generate Fibonacci series. Fibonacci is a series of numbers in which each number is the sum of the two preceding numbers. Here we used print macro. The print macro displays given text in horizontally and keeps cursor in the same line. The println macro displays given text in horizontally and moves the cursor in the next line. Here we used continue statement with label. Okay, first I initialized f0 equal to 0 and f1 equal to 1 and n equal to 6, which is the total number of Fibonacci digits that we are going to print. As per Fibonacci series, we print the first two digits by printing f0 and f1. So I subtract value 2 from the value of n. 6 minus 2 equal to 4. Now the new value of n is 4. Within level 1 loop, we calculate the third digit by adding the first two digits and assign it to f1, and f0 gets the previous value of f1 using temporary variable t. Within level 2 loop, we print the third value f1, that is, we assign the third value just in previous step. And in level 3 loop, count n is decremented by 1 and check the condition. If n greater than 0, then stop the remaining execution of all loop and restart the loop from level 1 using continue statement with label level 1. Otherwise, break level 3 loop, then break level 2 loop, then break level 1 loop and end the program. So on each loop, the next number will be calculated and displayed. Okay, now run the program. See, we have got 6 Fibonacci series number. And let me comment some unnecessary breaks and make some improve. Here I used loop to print all elements in months array. Months array has 12 elements starting from index 0 to index 11. In this code, we must consider the length of array and the index, and we need to increment the mutable variable I by 1 each time. Now let's run the program. As we expected, all array elements are printed without any error. If we do any issue related to index means, then it shows error. So let's improve this code by creating an iterator. In Rust, collections are iteratable. Here months array is a collection. So I create a mutable iterator in line 134 and get single element at a time using .next method in line 137. Each time when you get an element with .next method, it returns option of element value, and we extract the inner value using if let sum syntax. Each time variable iter decreases its length and the months array length won't changed. So when you call .iter method on collection, the compiler creates a copy of iteratable collection variable, and when you call .next method, it returns one option of element and decreases iterator by 1. Now let us run the program. See the output. Each time length of mutable variable iter decreases. Thank you.